guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a smooth slow motion video in CapCut. To create a slow motion video in CapCut, you can follow the steps. First is open your CapCut, and on the top you can see the add project option. Select that, and from here you need to select one of the video. After that, on the bottom right corner there's an add option. Select that, and after you imported your video, have to do is just adjust the speed. Tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it, and on the bottom you can see the speed option. Select that and simply choose the speed that you want to do right over here. I'm just going to do it on 0.4 option. For example, you can also select 0.5x for half speed, slowing the video down by 2 times. And after you do it, on the bottom right corner there's a right icon. Select that as well, and after you've done it, simply you can play the video to preview a video with the slow motion effect. And once you're satisfied with the slow motion effect, tap on the download icon on the top right corner. And this is it. By following these steps, you can create a smooth slow motion video in CapCut. Experiment with different speeds and speed ramp settings to achieve the desired effect. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming updates.